If your toilet bowl is caulked to the floor, cut and separate the caulk around the base before you attempt to lift the fixture. Start by shutting off the water supply and flushing to drain as much water from the tank and bowl as possible, then sponge out remaining water so the bowl is lighter and less prone to spilling. Use a sharp utility knife with a new blade and run the blade slowly around the full circumference where the caulk meets the floor, angling the tip slightly toward the floor to avoid cutting the flange or finish on the base. If one pass does not sever the caulk, make a second shallow pass rather than forcing pressure, which risks scratching tile or vinyl. After the visible bead is cut, insert a flat putty knife or thin pry tool between the base and floor and work around the bowl gently to lift any remaining adhesive without levering hard on the flooring material. When the bowl starts to move, lift straight up with steady, even pressure, while an assistant stabilizes and guides the trap to avoid damaging the wax ring or floor. Once removed, scrape residue with a plastic scraper and use a mild adhesive remover suitable for your floor finish, testing a small hidden area first. Common mistakes include cutting too aggressively and scoring tile or vinyl, which you avoid by using a fresh blade and light-controlled passes with the knife held low. Another issue is attempting to pry and twist the bowl free, which can crack ceramic or break flange hardware. Lift straight up after the bead is fully cut and have a second person help support the weight. A third concern is leaving old caulk and adhesive on the floor, which prevents a proper new seal and can trap moisture. Remove all residue with a plastic scraper and an appropriate cleaner, then allow the surface to dry completely before reinstallation. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors by listing local professionals and giving homeowners the tools to find and message people for jobs like toilet replacement. We host a discussion community where users share project tips, post photos, and ask questions so both homeowners and contractors can learn from real experiences.